You're listening to the Cyberwire Network, powered by N2K.
And now, a word from our sponsor, Syntiant. As an 8A Hub Zone minority and women-owned small business company, Syntiant specializes not only in software engineering, but in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity as well. Syntiant's customers, and they retain those customers, include the U.S. Department of Defense, the intelligence community, and the Departments of State and Justice. Their mission is to protect the systems that protect the people who protect us. If you're looking for a partner in accomplishing your mission, check out Syntiant.com. That's Cinteot.com. Your partners in everything data and cybersecurity.
The word is rogue access point. Definition 1. A wireless access point installed by employees in an office or data center environment as a convenience to connectivity without the consent or the knowledge of the network manager. Definition 2. A wireless access point, sometimes called an evil twin, installed by a cyber adversary in or near an office or data center environment, designed to bypass security controls, gain access, and/or surveil the network traffic of the victim's network. Example sentence. Assume that any device that connects to a rogue access point is potentially compromised because it is bypassing the authorized security procedures put in place by the IT department. Context. Both kinds, the employee-installed and the adversary-installed rogue access points, increase the attack surface of the organization. The employee-installed device, because of its electronic footprint range, might make it easier for hackers and mischief makers outside of the organization's network to bypass the corporate security controls and gain access without permission. The adversary-installed device is designed specifically to bypass the security controls of the target network. In Mr. Robot Episode 6, Season 2, Angela, played by Portia Doubleday, walks into an FBI office floor, finds a working Ethernet hub underneath a desk next to a surge protector plugged into the wall. She hides her own backup battery device and rogue access point in a crush of cables under the desk, plugs everything in, and walks away.
And now, a word from our sponsor, Halcyon. Ransomware is still one of the largest threats facing businesses in 2023. The Halcyon platform was built to stop it through a multi-layered protection approach featuring full encryption key capture, automated decryption, and the ability to prevent other security tools on the endpoint from being unhooked. Learn more about how they're leveraging Capsule network-based machine learning to reduce ransomware recovery times down to minutes by visiting halcyon.ai.